is the goat. The goat. The goat. So man, the boy is looking clean.
Forex, the boy is looking clean.
Yeah, man. So guys, just came to grips with that. Had a long day. It's still KFC again. Mega lunchbox, you know my favorite. I don't know when I'm gonna eat this shit, but maybe or along the road. But I'm so hungry. So, yeah, man, this is how I'm starting the day today. And I'm also gonna ask my friend to give me a little bit shake. I'm shaking to shake it.
The last time funny now, I'm gonna move. What I'm gonna make it, eh? I don't know make it. I'm calling you out. Okay, so.
Top of the morning, guys. Oh boy, yo, the crib is a mess, dog. Look, yes. Still have to clear some shit. But anyways, it's time for breakfast. I'm gonna be having this now, dog. Like Chef leaving alone, guys. Come on, and look at this. The stuff is this. I know, man. I was cooking yesterday, so. But then, you know what this is? This is the pipe. The morning pipe. I wanted to do pipe and I was like, nah, let me eat some cornflakes first. But then I also have this. I wanna fry this now right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So let's go. Thou shalt not smoke pipe without eating breakfast, bruh. You know what I'm saying? My pipe is getting ready, guys. What are you talking about? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the bitch, then I'm gonna pour. I'm gonna pour. Yeah, that's okay, man. So now it's time for me to go to the room. But anyways, man, let me try an intro. Yeah, what the fuck going on as usual? Nah, man. What's going on? It is your boy with your first coach, and today, man, I'm just gonna be showing you all the winning trades that we took with the team, right? Everything, no filter. I'm going to be analyzing the setup with you. Basically, I'm gonna be recapping every trade I took so far. Today is the worst day. Yeah, the past 2 days, man, it has been amazing, bruh. We're killing Falcon like I don't know what's happening, guys. Like, you see, the Falcon market was slow, and now it's like it's rewarding the real ones. You know what I'm saying? Rewarding the real ones, the ones that don't give up on their strategy even if we have a losing streak. So the same, man. Let's go. So what's good, guys? It is your boy now. So we're just gonna be focusing on the chat, man. I haven't yet get in the shower, but then, guys, I really need to show you guys this thing, right? So it's 10 a.m. man. I just woke up today. I woke up late because I've been winning so much. So guys, usually when I'm winning, I just let my winning trades run and then I don't trade. I don't touch the market. I just sit back and relax. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. So what I just want to start with right now is I want to show you the proof that I did share these setups before we even happen, right? So this is my Telegram channel. You guys know that. Oh, not Telegram, Discord, the Mentorship Discord, right? So we had this one, right? This is KJPY. I sent them this one even before because we had a Sunday market breakdown here. So this was the meeting that we usually have, and then I recorded for those who won't be available to watch it, they didn't watch it at their spare time, so then I post it for them, right? So Lana, I was saying, as we said, right, this is the next day, and then it's doing its thing. But then let's continue with the trades that I said that okay, this one we should focus on. So we had live trading during that day at 11. So we usually have live trading with me every day 11 a.m. right? So we had this 3 touch on GBP JPY. I was actually expecting the market to come back because this candlestick was too long, right? So I was waiting for the 50%, and then my expectation was the market will go up, right? And then which one is the other one? Okay, so this was when the trade was happening, but I'm still gonna talk about it, don't worry. And then there's Euro USD. As you can see, Euro USD was there. It hasn't yet moved, right? And then this one, it did the most. And there's quite a lot, man, because some of them I sent them on the live trading, right? And then also had this one playing out as well. Just like most of them. And I also have the students doing the most, man. They're killing it. And yeah, man, so with that said, let's come to trading view, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, this is USD currently at the moment, and it is pushing, man. This trade was executed at the 4 hour, right? You saw, right, on the previous clip that I had this, right? I had this one here, and it did what I wanted it to do, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, everything is looking nice, man. And yeah, so that's gonna be the first one. And to explain why I even opt for this position is this, right? So the market reacted from a daily value area, right? It started to push down, but however, we can clearly see that there is also a daily pullback, regardless of my market daily buyers were saying the market is gonna sell. But then once we have this, I then look for counter trending opportunities. So it's an advanced concepts that I teach as well, right? So I look for counter trending opportunities whereby the market can reverse, because this is a significant area on the daily. The market did go up, right? And then I look for risk mitigation factors on the left. I was like, okay, there was none. And then there was a 2 touch that I was happy to take. And yeah, man, and it was good, and the market just went to my direction right there. And then there's also GBP JPY, which is also the same thing. Like you see, there's the market reversed, which I call it the counter trend, right? Our counter trended, and then the market started to push up, and I was looking for a continuation in the lower time frames, which I got, right? But then I didn't enter immediately, but I waited for the market to retrace to the 50% of the candlestick, and it did that because I know my strategy and I know how to apply it, right? So I applied that, and the market came back, tagged me in, and started to do the most, man. Started to do the most, and TP was hit on this one. And we also had EuroCAD, right? This one, it even has this white thing. This white thing was in there. So this trade was a possible trade that I would have taken last week on Friday, but then I missed it. You know what I'm saying? I missed it. Yeah, but yeah, man, it is what it is. I missed the trade, but then I know that okay, if it comes back here, I'm still gonna enter again on when it comes back to the entry using some concepts that I won't share here, but for the mentorship, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, I know it's gonna come back, but that is not 100%. The market does what it want to do, you know what I'm saying? I don't control the market, but I just trade my strategy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, the market came back again, the same thing, like almost similar to the GBP JPY setup. So it came back, and then as you can see, we're currently, and it's so much deep blues, man. It's been killed, and it's the same concept again. Counter trending, the market then pushed to the upside, so which is looking amazing, fam. It's looking amazing, fam. I don't want to lie to you. This is lit, bro. This is lit. I'm also screenshotting this so that I can have it on my trading journal, you know what I'm saying, so that I know my setups that win, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, the one was another trade I would took, and then there's also KJPY that was still holding. So now it comes to sharp, this thing of correlation, you know what I'm saying? I talked about it on the live trading. People here, there was KJPY that was selling, and then there was GJ that was buying. They are both JPY pays. But in my thought process, I know that, okay, you see with my strategy, man, correlation doesn't work that much. You know, I trade structure, I do not trade correlation. You know what I'm saying? So this setup is going pretty much fine, almost stopped us out. But then you see, out of all my accounts so far, I don't have a losing trade because this one is still in profit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still holding the position. It is going to be up to it if it decides to lose, but then I've made so much cash already, you know what I'm saying, with the way that I trade. And we're killing it on Falcon, guys. I don't want to lie. If you're still trading Falcon and you're losing hope, guys, listen to me. Falcon is still a killer, bro. You know what I'm saying? Falcon is still a killer, man. Let me have a poll here. You know what I'm saying? Falcon is still a killer, my guy. You know, with me, what assisted me is that I was like, okay, you see, when the market was thrashing me the previous months, so because there was a month whereby things was going down, you know, it was like, okay, I started to learn maybe other concepts because I felt like, nah, it doesn't work. Just because of one losing month, which is, bro, losing months are gonna be there. Take it from me. Just take this as a lesson, guys, from the boy, that, hey, sometimes it's gonna be bad, it's not gonna be good as always, you know what I'm saying? And you see what happened to me? I then came back. So I was like, nah, man, see, let me go back to Falcon. And the reason why I then said, hey, let me just not add things on the mind, because I wanted to add things on top of Falcon, not that I was learning new strategy. Because in the video you watched, I said I'm changing my entry model. I didn't say I'm changing a strategy, you know what I'm saying? But then I was like, even the entry model, fuck it, man, let me just get it out there. So what I did was like, I back tested, man. I looked, okay, what is effective? How can I make the strategy even stronger for myself, not Mark included? You know what I'm saying? And also another thing that assisted me was unfollowing everyone from Falcon FX, man. You see, nah, man, I know people can say why, but thing is, man, those guys, they also take their own entries that they don't even teach on the mentorship, which is a problem to me because I look up to them. Now they are busy taking their own setups. Every time maybe I'm looking for a trade, and then someone will come and say, no, this is not a good trade because this. No, bro, I'm trading my plan. Stop telling me this is not a good trade. This is not a good trade on your trading plan, not mine. You see this KJPY setup, J. This KJPY setup, I saw this lady from Falcon who was saying, nah, this is not a good setup because the middle section is not enough and whatever. I don't know, it's like, what? And then I just hit and follow, bruh. Like, this is a good setup in my eyes. Guys, what do Falcon guys want us to do? What do you mean this is not a good setup, man? This is a middle, and it was like, nah, the middle section has to be bigger, bruh. That's the thing that also made me not to get trades in the first place. Because guys, me, I don't have a problem losing. You see, I don't have now. I have a problem when I'm not getting a trade for too long. That's why my psychology starts to destroy me. So that is why I revamped my Falcon. I took tips there, and I was killing, bro. This other day I should show you a trade where I made 7,000 USD, dog. You know what I'm saying? God knows how much I made this week, and I'm not gonna share, but yeah, because yeah, man, sometimes, you know, it's not necessary. Me, I'm just showing the skill to your people, man. That is what I'm doing, man. I'm just showing the skill to your people, and we're killing it. And if you want to believe, you must believe, and if you don't want, it's still fine. But the boy is killing it regardless. And you must look at the way I'm living my life, man. It's okay. Is this nigga even killing it for real? Yeah, the nigga is. No, I'm not depending off of a mentorship because others may think, he's selling a service. Bruh, I'm helping people, dog. My time is mine at the end of the day. I have to dedicate my time to share the expertise, you know. I pay for TradingView that I have to back test, and it's been 4 years, my guy. Close to 5 years now. Learning this thing is so painful. You know, it's so painful. And also mentoring someone needs dedication and love. And the skill to teach someone is not like, you see people, they are experts out there that they do know how to do their thing, but they cannot teach someone else. But me, I feel like it was a gift that, okay, I can make someone understand by the way I explain. And the reason I also even made the mentorship also like so good, it's the reason people are commenting on the channel, right? They're telling me how I can explain, man. They are happy with what they're watching. And also some of them, they DM me and they are impressed with the way I trade the Falcon strategy. And people are starting to see lights even just because of my YouTube videos alone. Lord knows what will happen if you get inside the mentorship and see and know the deep concepts that are here, man. You know, Falcon is deeper than this, man. You know what I'm saying? Any strategy is deep, but you need to have also a deep level of understanding at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Like, understand your strategy. Because with me coming back here, I was like, nah, with the other strategies, me, I'm good. Why? Bruh, we see with Falcon, I know a lot of things already that maybe I have a losing streak and I have to change it. Nah, we're not doing that here. Man, with Falcon, I know how to get my daily bias. That's very important. Let alone even a weekly bias, even a monthly bias I can give you trading the Falcon strategy. You know what I'm saying? I know how to counter trend positions. The counter trend is selling, the trend is selling, and I can take a buy and win. You know what I'm saying? I know how to risk mitigate. You don't know how difficult that is, man. Knowing the difference between a good trade and a bad trade, man. Because even if you're trading your fair value gaps, man, do you know that there is fair value gaps that is high risk and fair value gaps that is low risk? In every strategy there is risk inside, but people who are trading ICT, dog, they take everything, dog, and there's no one, dog, talking about important things like, dog, you know, market direction, you know, like things, my guy, tangible stuff, bro, like juices of the strategy, bro. Because earlier I did go through the ICT thing, guys. Hey, I don't wanna lie, there's no structure there, dog. That's another thing. I was like, when I was thinking to myself, nah, dog. And then there's people DMing me on WhatsApp, busy telling me, yo, dog, with your work ethic, you'd be very far if you're not trading Falcon. What do you mean? What do you mean I'd be very far? Well, am I now not far? Like let's be real. Am I now not far? Bro, I'm from Swaziland in the first place. Swaziland is a difficult country to get it successful, even a little bit of success, especially when you are going independent. You know what I'm saying? It's difficult, but looking at me doing, like, I'm doing so very well, dog. I didn't make a mistake trading Falcon, I don't wanna lie. I didn't. Just like people are not patient, that's another thing. They want to press buy and they want to see things now. No, man, it's not easy like that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's not easy like that. It's not saying other strategies are what, but dog, me, I need something that is structured, dog. I need structure, dog, structure. You know, I need a daily bias, knowing what is happening. You know, I need confirmation. You know, I need momentum shift in the market. You know, I need market psychology. I know all of those concepts in Falcon right now. So even if I lose a trade, it's like, okay, it happened, bruh. I can make even a mistake, because that's another thing, dog. Other traders like judging their losses. They be like, no, the thing is, bruh, you're not gonna be perfect. Let me tell you for real. But then, you see your strategy, it has to work even if you're not perfect. You know what I'm saying? It has to work, my guy, even if you're not perfect, because you are human beings, you are not robots. Sometimes you make mistakes, but then in order for you to be profitable, you have to work regardless of you making mistakes. But then you need to minimize your mistakes by knowing the difference between a high quality and a low quality trade. You know, maybe let's say I'd accept if a trade, maybe there's one thing that is a problem, but everything ticks the code, it ticks, you know, the boxes. And then there's one thing, and then you take the trade and lose. It's still fine, man. It's not that much of a big deal. But then now, even if you are trading and you're taking 2 touches there at the bottom of a structure, the 2 touches at the bottom of a structure is a high risk trade. That's free game for you. You know what I'm saying? But guys, I've already spit too much, man. If you like this content, like, share, comment, subscribe, and it's a road to 7K subscribers. And man, I'm gonna be continuing with the game, man. I'm gonna be continuing with the game, and I'm going to come back with the consistency. And you guys are watching my videos, and that is amazing, man. With that said, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Goodbye. Yes guys, I'm happy, man. I'm killing it, and I'm just looking at KJPY is pushing very nicely. If I listen to that lady that I saw from Falcon busy saying, nah, KJ is not a good trade, and I close it, now it's been profit almost 1%. And imagine if maybe I was trading a Pro-Firm challenge and only 1% was left for me to pass, and then now I close this trade and then now it goes down. Now I'm crying. because I'm listening to people that nah, bruh, trust yourself. Yes, sir.